Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance
Bombo clat. Somebody can prize you.
Wait, hold it, my friend, hold it. Take the jam. My friend, hold it, my friend. Yeah, yo, you can't drive, so why you take time? Yo, man, like. Hospital. Yo, I'm on that, so. That is the first Fresh thing, brother.
A upcoming Jamaican artist known as Fresh King and his girlfriend meet into an accident in the wee hours of the morning at New Green, Manchester, Jamaica. See, Fresh King is now hospitalized in critical condition and his girlfriend died at the scene of the accident. It also has been reported that the young couple has a child together that's about the age of 1. My condolences to the families and the friends and the loved one of this lady and of Fresh King. So as always, you don't know, Dancehall Skilla only keep you posted and let you see what go on in and around the world, especially of Jamaica and of the Skilla, of course. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this way you just see is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself.